Hello guys, welcome to this channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys the solution if you are facing the blue screen like this, the stop code, the information is windows.com stop code and inaccessible boot device, and then you are using Dell laptop. Here what you have to do, basically it's supposed to be the problem is your storage, which means your SSD or your NVMe. There is a problem, so you have to restart your computer and then access the boot BIOS. So I will restart my computer. Now it's restarting, and then I'm stand by my finger into F2 keyboard. So to entering the BIOS setup is F2, or sometimes in Dell laptop you have to press F10 or F11. So my one is F2. I will press F2. Now I am entering the BIOS setup. What you have to do, you open your storage. Wait. You go to system configuration and then you click on SATA operation. Make sure you turn on RAID on, not disabled or not neither AHCI but RAID on. And then make sure on the drives here you check both of them, SATA 2 and M2 PCIe SSD, since I'm using SSD. And then after that you click exit. Make sure you click apply first and then click exit, and then that's it. I hope the problem will be solved on your computer and you're good to go. Thank you for watching guys. If you think this content is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel. Bye bye.